Hello to everyone and welcome to my developer blog for Autodesk MotionBuilder, and this time I would like to show a new feature that I have implemented here. It's a Sprite sheet solver and also the aim Sprite constraint, which help to create a billboards in MotionBuilder. So let's start. I have a list of like this one, Sprite sheet, from which we can extract the image sequence from one texture. So let me show how it works. I'm creating a plane. Then for that plane I need to register in the Sprite sheet solver. It's from the context menu. So here we have a new Sprite sheet solver in solvers list and navigator. Then we need to define, as there is no any information, if the sprite is prepared with the program like texture packer, there is an XML file with the information for each frame. But if it's just a well organized number of columns and rows, what we can do here is to, in our material in properties, to define the number of columns and rows. So it will be 5 by 4. And so the next thing, we activate our solver and we need to add a shader for that model which supports sprite sheet animation like that. We can add transparency for that effect. And now the next thing that I would like to show as well, it's support for billboards. It's aim sprite, so I'm adding this model into the constraint list. Then I need to show what will be the orientation to the camera, so in snap. And now we see that the plane is looking always, so it's a cylindrical style. There are possibility to use the spherical to also have the up and down, but right now it's just oriented billboard. There are a lot of properties which we have access from the model here. The animation can be played by scaling, by trigger. For example, if we will not have a loop motion and we would like to animate the trigger by scaling, means the animation will start when we scale from 0. I'm going to scale to 0 and then scale to 1, so we have this animation only once. Another thing that we can use the animatable property trigger, and with the relation constraint from any other trigger we can make this sprite sheet play the animation. It also can be played locally like that. And a lot of other things that inside we can, with the texture packer, we can prepare and pack inside several image sequences. Like here, for example, I have 3 image sequences inside, and or even more, and we can use only one texture, which will be faster load and faster operation time, execution time in real time. And the most also advantage of this sprite sheet solver that we can do a duplicate, I mean not the real copy, but we can do a lot of instances of the original geometry with different transformation, and we will have the less scene size, file size, and better performance. Okay, thanks for watching. So I'm continuing to do some interesting things for MotionBuilder, and see you in next videos. Bye.